Welcome to the Salty Ditch, where the complaints department is 100 miles away. This is your golden door opportunity to enjoy the great outdoors of Chauvin, Louisiana. This eclectic property sits at 1,223 square feet. It features 3 beds, 2 baths, and a kitchen only a Cajun chef could dream of. With this property being in a restricted neighborhood, you also have access to a private boat launch just a stone's throw away. Let's go check it out.